Hello and welcome back to the video. So, remember my parkour? So I actually figured out a cheat that I will be showing you guys today. So here we go. I will show you now. So basically, you just need to be up here. Don't ask what that is. Activate? I guess it's a wall. Oh, it's like, I see, it's a barricade. Okay. Well, you basically like go right here, and you run over here, and you run, and you, oh wait, wrong spot. You go up here, and you run, and oh wait, no, that's not it either. Oh wait, here's the spot. You go like run, jump. This is the end of the parkour. Well, yeah, that was it. That was the parkour.